welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinita. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful decoration that you can do on your mom's birthday. You can do this decoration on Mother's Day as well. And this video was requested by one of my subscribers. Her name is Achal. So shout out to you, girl. So thank you so much, Achal, for giving this idea and making me do this, because this is the first time I have done this mom's birthday decoration. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first, let's make the paper heart decoration. For that, you'll need a paper square of 6 cm, which I'm folding like this, and I'll draw a heart over it, then cut it. The same way I've drawn these hearts on pink paper as well. You'll need at least 12 yellow paper hearts and 13 pink paper hearts. Then I've taken this white color thread and a piece of paper tape. Then I'll stick the paper tape as shown in the video. This is a pink and yellow color theme decoration, so that's why I've taken pink and yellow color hearts. So that's why I'm just keeping this hearts alternative. I've made another one as well, so you'll need 2 of these. Now let's make the paper flower. To make the paper flower, you'll need 6 rectangles of 14 by 10 cm. Then I've cut a leaf on a paper like this, which I'll use it as a stencil. So I'm just drawing the leaf on the pink paper and I'll cut it. Then I'll cut the center part like this and I'll stick it using a glue gun. Now let's curl the leaves. I'm using this table edge to curl the leaf and make it as a petal. You can also use a pencil to do that, but this is a big leaf, so I'm using the table edge. Now I've taken this 8 cm diameter circle on which I'm going to stick all the petals one by one. Then I'll stick a yellow color circle in the center of the flower. This is a yellow color paper strip which I'm folding like this and then cut it as shown in the video. Once cut, I will start rotating it using a pencil and secure it using a glue gun. Then I'll spread the strips like this to make it a flower, and then I'll stick it in the center of the flower. The same way I've made these 2 small flowers also. The only difference here is that I've taken 5 petals instead of 6. I'll mention the dimension of the rectangle in the caption. Now let's make the pom-pom flower. To make it, you'll need 6 pink color crepe papers. Then fold it as shown in the video. Once folded, I will secure the center part using a stapler. Now I'm cutting the edges in a round shape. Once cut, I'll start separating the paper. You have to be very careful while doing it because crepe papers are very thin, so you might end up tearing the paper. So be careful. To give it a dimension and make it as a flower, I'm sticking some of the edges using a glue gun. Now let's make the letter M. To make it, you'll need a yellow color square of 20 by 20 centimeter. I'm marking at 4 centimeter from both the ends. Then I will mark at the center from the marked points. Then from both the 4 centimeter marked points, I'm marking at 9.5 centimeter horizontally, and this is how I have drawn the inner M. Then I will mark at 4 centimeter from outside the inner M. Then I'll join all the marked points. After that I'll cut it. So here our M letter is ready. Now I've taken this pink color piece of paper and a heart punching machine. So I've cut 4 hearts from the punching machine and I'm sticking these hearts at the edges of the M letter. And then I'll stick the small paper flower which we have made earlier. The same way I will stick another flower on the other letter, but on the different side. Now let's make a balloon quad. To make the quad, you'll need 4 balloons, in which one is yellow polka dot balloon and 3 others are in pink color. So first I'm inflating this polka dot balloon in a smaller size, and then I will inflate the other 3 balloons of the regular size. After inflating the balloons, I will make 2 sets of balloons. One will be of pink color and another one will be of yellow and pink color. After making sets, I will combine both of these. So here our quad is ready. As all the things are ready, we can start the decoration. So the first thing first, let's stick this balloon quad on the wall. I've attached this double-sided tape on the back side of the balloons. So I'm sticking the second quad in the opposite direction, and I'll continue doing it for other balloons alternatively. For this decoration, you'll need at least 5 quads of balloons. Next thing I'm going to do is the birthday banner. You have seen this birthday banner in many of my videos. I use usually this birthday because I love it. I mean, this is so good. It goes with all kind of themes because this is a white color and I like white color very much. Okay, alright, so I have this one with me. After birthday banner, I'm sticking these letters one by one. Now the pom-pom flower. I'm just sticking the double-sided tape at the back side of the flower and sticking the other letter as well. Attaching both the paper heart decoration now. And then I will stick both the paper flowers on the sides of the birthday banner. And in last, I will attach the fairy lights. And our decoration is completed. everyone, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care and bye bye.